So today we're doing Meall Ghaordaidh and this will be my 39th Munro. This one does say on the walk highlands it should take between 4 to 6 hours, but in my book it's 3 to 5 hours. This walk, most of the walk going up is a gradual climb, so it shouldn't be too hard. The weather just now is a bit cloudy, but it did say it will be clouds and sun later on in the day, so hopefully it will be better. Right, now let's get into the walk. Hi everyone, I hope you liked the intro. Welcome back to another episode in the Bag in the Munros series. Today we're climbing Meall Ghaordaidh. I have bought myself a new camera as well, so hopefully the quality of film is better than it usually is. The start location for this one is just at the side of a road, just past Killing. But now, let's get into the walk. Here I'm being a bit of an idiot and I've went to the wrong side of the gate, but it's an easy mistake to make. I found the right side easy enough on that one. With the new camera I've got, it's got this stabilisation mode, so as you can see the camera is very still as it's following me. The mountain you can see to your right isn't Meall Ghaordaidh, it is Meall Ghaordaidh and it's 745 metres tall. After you climb over these steps, this is the last obstacle before you just have to keep walking up to the top of the Munro. And there's a few sheep on my past, but that was about it so far. So yeah, we are pretty close to one of the ones we did the other week, close to the Cairngorm 4. And we're pretty close to the Ben Lawr 7. So I will be doing that in some future videos. So we're just now still making our way through the grassy part at the bottom of the Munro. We did have a fine day for it because the clouds were high enough that we still got a view, and we did get a really good view at the top as well. The mountain which you can see now that's ahead of us, that's Meall Ghaordaidh, that's the one that we'll be climbing. As you can see, the sun was shining through the clouds, so we did get a good day for walking. Just something to point out for Meall Ghaordaidh as well is there wasn't much of a path and a lot of it was like really wet, so you definitely need waterproof shoes for this one because it was soggy for most of the walk. Off into the distance there you can see the Lars range and Meall Nan Turmakin. We are now close to approaching the summit of the Munro. If you are enjoying the video so far, give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe because it really helps out the channel. This is us now approaching the summit of the Munro, and it just took us around about 2 hours and 20 minutes to get here. And I have noticed we are getting faster and faster doing these munros, so it's quite obvious that my fitness level is improving so much. And at the start I didn't realise how much hill walking would actually affect your fitness, and realise it actually helps your fitness so much. But here we are at the top of Meall Ghaordaidh and having a little celebratory pose at the top. And now I'll show you some of the views. If you keep watching till the end of the video, you'll be able to see my stats for the video, and you'll be able to see the DIY drone shots that we tried to do. But here we are now, starting to make our way back down the mountain. I don't think my video has really done it justice of how wet this walk actually is. Granted, it was raining the day before we got here, but it is still a really wet walk and the path does get really wet. But here we are now about halfway down the mountain, and here is where we try our so-called DIY drone shots. I think they do look alright because the camera is really smooth, but I think I definitely need to invest in a drone that actually has a really good camera. I think it would produce some really nice shots, especially in Scotland when it's just so beautiful. If you do go back and compare to one of my older videos, you can see a huge difference in the camera smoothness. Like in this video, it's just so smooth compared to the clunky and the constantly shaking camera footage I had in my other videos. But here we are now, back at the cars at the side of the road after 3 hours and 46 minutes of walking. This is definitely another great walk for beginners because it is a fast one and it is a very gradual incline most of the way up. But now, let's get into some stats. Meall Ghaordaidh is the 93rd tallest munro in Scotland, and it is at a height of 1,039 metres. And the actual ascent of the Munro is 895 metres, and the total distance is 6 miles. Which is also 9.5 kilometers. Because you made it to the end of the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future hill walking videos. I'll see you in the next one.